Hey there, design lovers. Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel, where we keep you updated on the latest home and design trends. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in kitchen design, the top kitchen faucet color trends for 2025. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or just looking to upgrade, the right faucet can make all the difference. So, let's explore what's in and what's out this year. First up, matte black. This trend isn't going anywhere. Sleek, sophisticated, and versatile, matte black faucets complement a variety of kitchen styles from ultra-modern to farmhouse chic. Plus, they hide fingerprints and water spots better than polished finish. If you love a bold yet timeless look, matte black is still a fantastic choice. Next on the list, we have brushed brass. This warm, elegant finish is making waves in 2025, bringing a luxurious touch to kitchens. Unlike the overly polished gold of the past, brushed brass has a more muted, matte effect that pairs beautifully with both light and dark cabinetry. If you want a faucet that stands out while still feeling cozy and inviting, brushed brass is a go-to choice. Now, if you prefer a more subtle and timeless approach, brushed nickel and stainless steel continue to be strong contenders. These finishes work well in minimalist and contemporary kitchens, offering a clean and polished look. They're also extremely durable and easy to match with other kitchen fixtures. If you're after a classic finish that won't go out of style, these are perfect options. For those who love a bold, industrial-inspired aesthetic, gunmetal gray is the trend to watch. This dark, metallic finish offers a sleek alternative to matte black with a slightly softer, more understated appeal. It works incredibly well with dark countertops and modern cabinetry. If you're a fan of edgy, contemporary kitchens, this might be the perfect upgrade. Another rising trend in 2025, two-tone faucets. Mixing metals is no longer a faux pas. In fact, it's a stylish statement. Black and gold, nickel and brass, or even matte black with chrome details, these combinations create a striking contrast that adds personality to any kitchen. If you want something unique, a two-tone faucet is a great way to customize your space. And finally, one of the newest trends gaining traction in 2025, white faucets. These sleek and modern fixtures create a fresh, clean look that works beautifully in minimalist and Scandinavian-style kitchens. If you're a fan of light, airy spaces, a white faucet might be just what you need to complete your design. So there you have it, the top kitchen faucet color trends for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Are you team matte black, or are you loving the brushed brass look? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest home design trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.